Okay, dear subscribers, today we are making video for one of the perfect trucks I have. I have several of them in 2 years, but this is one of them. It's a 1998 Mitsubishi MiniCab dump truck, 4x4, high-low gear, AC, power steering, and 5-speed manual. This truck is just in perfect shape. So finally I replaced the I took it to Crossville hydraulics. They replaced the dump piston seals, and this truck is just amazing. Just the paint, just everything, just shiny, very good condition, no rust, no stone chips, stuff like that, just nothing. It's got 2025 inspection, Japanese inspection, 4-wheel drive, easy select, button operated 4-wheel drive. Very nice truck. Antenna, everything is intact. Some special visors, I don't know why they put it there, and windshield wipers. Perfect dump truck, in perfect shape. So piston fixed, and when I took it off I greased everything. Unfortunately it doesn't have a grease fittings. Usually it's a grease fittings here, so I just greased it, but they're in perfect shape. When I disassemble them, everything is in very good shape. Very nice truck. Whispering engine. This one had all the rubbers intact finally. Even that latch got little rubber on it. One of them missing, but I think I never had them like that with the little rubber. All the rubbers intact, and this is something else. I see it first time. It's a plastic, heavy duty, some kind of shiny, miny metal. All that stuff here. Mitsubishi MiniCab, 12 valve. Oh, I didn't know that. Here it is, 12 valve. I did paint inside and that part. So, because they was rusty, and you can see it on my previous videos for this truck. The truck number I'll tell you in a minute. This truck is in perfect shape here. Very nice truck. Brand new battery, Japanese Panasonic battery. It's got that special safety thing for dump. If you work here, you can just put it up. I usually, oh yeah. And let's go check inside. Perfect. Everything is perfect. All the rubbers, no rust at all. It's just in perfect shape. Perfect shape. Factory. This paint like factory. Very nice. Very nice truck. Here's the VIN number. Here's the engine and all that information. Here's the engine whispering. All the fluids changed. Look at that. I took the math just to show you guys how good it is. Here's the 4-wheel drive, and then high-low gear, that button, 4-wheel drive, AC right there. I'm gonna engage it. Where is that? Yep, right there, there's the clutch engaged, rolling, RPMs went up. Radio works. PTO, the dump is PTO. Just a look at that, the seats, everything in perfect shape, everything, ceiling, roof, or whatever you call it. Perfect truck, heavy duty piston and everything, frame, dump, no scratches at all. This is in perfect shape. 26,000 miles, 26,068 miles. Yeah. Really rare to get something like that. Probably been sitting in the garage. Look at that. Perfect. No rust, nothing. Not there, not on the doors. Just a perfect shape. Even got tiny cup holder. And let's check the seats. Seats perfect. Some kind of hook. Okay, put it on. Let's cover that seat too. Yeah, very rare when they come like that. Dumps usually have some scratches, dents, dirty. But this one, it's in perfect shape. In the back, everywhere you look. Okay, beautiful. I'm gonna put that floor mat. It's in perfect shape too. Floor mat is on. Now I'm gonna drive it. Help is on the way. Here is the helper, blogger, or whatever you call him. Murka. Okay, let's drive it. So when you drive mini truck, if you're using, so four-way flushers works, heat works, AC works, signal works, lights is on, works, four-wheel drive button works right there. Yep, so everything works. Drive it. I'm gonna grab the plates, and this will be for sale. I think it's almost done. I might have forgot something, still maybe need something, but in general it's done. Here's the helper running away. Here's another one, nice one, Daihatsu, but I got too many of them right now. And seems like I fix maybe one truck in 2 weeks, something like that. Let's get the plates. They will get there. Nope, it's gotta be here. Okay, let's see what this truck can do. Okay. vibrating and making that noise. But runs great. This truck runs great. Oh, I will start talking about the AC. On a mini truck, if you turn the AC on, it will bring the power a little down, yeah, because the engine not as big. But right now AC is on and it runs good. It runs great. This is it. It's gonna be a long video, I guess. So I'm gonna put this video, put some pictures, put it on my website, and if anybody likes it, give me a call. 937-510-8059. Sam. Here we've got more seating. Some nice one. Here's the first one, Mitsubishi MiniCab, and turbo Suzuki Carry, turbocharged Honda Acti Attack, very rare model, Daihatsu Hijet, lifted. I put 2-inch lift kit and some fancy. Another Mitsubishi, but that one is sold. Another Mitsubishi, the 6th generation. That first dump got AC on it. I got Suzuki Carry, and I got some nice Mazda Scram. I love that one with that little round headlights. I haven't fixed it yet. I mean, it needs to be just inspected, brakes and everything replaced, stuff like that, oils. Here is Nissan Elgrand for sale also, but it has to go through inspection. Yeah, I gotta replace inner outer tie rods, put new tires, replace all the fluids, stuff like that, fix the bumper. Here's the Hijet, nice Daihatsu with alloy wheels, dump truck. I think it don't have an AC, and Subaru Sambar, but most of these 3 trucks here on the end needs to be go through inspection. Haven't fixed yet, haven't been checked yet. And we got some more. We gotta be moving to the garage, but it's gonna take forever, because if I do like one mini truck in 2 weeks, so it's gonna take me 3-4 months to fix them all, because I do everything. I try replace as much as I can, and it takes time. Here's another Daihatsu Hijet, nice one with alloy wheels, dump truck, Isuzu Fargo. I'm waiting for a bunch of parts. I already put new wheels, new tires. I mean, old wheels, I painted them, new tires. Fluid's been changed, but I'm waiting for tie rods, ball joints, upper bar and ball joints, brand new mirror assembly, because it's kind of old mirrors. Here's another Subaru dump truck, and they all has to be fixed. And here's Rodney's Elgrand. He lives in Alabama. I'm working on that one. Transfer case bearings needs to be replaced. They kind of got some play. Work, a lot of work. So I'll probably make video tomorrow, what's ready, what's not ready. That's another one. That's a very, I'm driving it now daily. I like this one and Mazda Scram for some reason, I don't know. This one got automatic transmission, AC, high-low gear, differential locks, dump truck. It's got everything. It's a very nice engine on that one. So, okay, let's walk around this one more time, and it's gonna be it for today. Oh, AC keeps on. Very nice truck. Sits high. I didn't put any lift kit yet, and it's already sitting kind of high, you can tell. So it tells me the way it sits up high, it's not been used for heavy haul or anything. It's barely been used. It's probably been used like a daily drive. I think I got low tires. I think, yeah, maybe. I got brand new tires. Because I didn't replace them because the original ones is good. I don't want to touch good tires, but I do have brand new. It can go with the truck. Lift kits available, but on truck like that, I don't know if you need a lift kit. It's good already, good enough. Okay, have a blessed life. Enjoy this beautiful summer, and I'll see you all in my next videos. This is truck number 57. Oh, let's pull the dump up. It's a PTO, so you have to push the clutch, engage that, and then it's going up. If you'll give a gas, it will go faster. I'm just to do it on idle. Ah, quiet, perfect. Boom. No leak. Brand new seal. The gate opens up automatically, and when you bring it down, it will latch. Perfect truck. Waiting for farmer or somebody.